Hello there, friends. I have another Christmas craft for you today. And as always, it's gonna be easy and fun. Now, here are the materials that you will be needing. I used a bond paper, or you may call it copy or print paper. I also use you'll need ribbons or twines, a double-sided tape, or any adhesive. As for your tools, you can use punch hole, scissors, and a puncher. Now, the important decor here is this dried flower. So go on and grab some flowers out. Now, this gift wrapping style is so simple that the challenge is actually how to make it minimalist as possible. Now, since we're using a bond paper, this is actually more ideal for small boxes or small items. But if you're using a baking sheet, which is a little, well, way much bigger than the bond paper, then you can use that for big boxes. Now, when you wrap a box, it's actually simpler if you angle the wrapper in a diagonal way. Now, if you use a bigger paper, this will actually cover the entire box right away. But since bond paper is very small, I'll be needing two papers for this one. I'm just folding the excess paper and I'm pinching the edge of the boxes so it will actually fit, the wrapper will actually fit the box the moment you tape it. I'm also using both adhesive tape, one in the usual kind and the other one is the double-sided. Now, if the wrapper is still inside, I'm using the usual tape, and then but once the wrapper is already the outside part, then I'm using the double-sided tape already. Now, it just looks cleaner that way. But if you don't have double-sided tape, any tape will do. If you want to use washi tape, that's also fine. Now, since I'm done covering one side of the box and the bond paper did not fit, I'm using a second sheet of paper here. Now this time, I'm using a double-sided tape because I can see already that this part of the wrapper is already on the outside part. And then you just repeat the process of wrapping the paper around the box, just making sure that the entire box is already covered. Now that we're done wrapping the box, let's decorate it with the doily paper. I'm using a rectangular shaped doily paper, and if you're just wrapping it with a small box, you can just cut the doily into half. Now there's so many ways you can wrap this doily paper on the box, but here I just made sure to show one edge of the doily on the top part of the box. And since I'm using a small one, I'm just gonna cut it, and you can use the excess doily paper as another accent for another box or another gift. Then I'm grabbing my Flourish Square punch from Martha Stewart. Now, I just really love punches because they make your craft life so much easier. Just like this one, it's already an instant gift tag. Then I'm just writing Happy Holidays on the gift tag, or you can also write the name of the recipient here. Now, if you're not comfortable with your handwriting, you can also use rubber stamps or alpha stickers. Then I'm gonna grab my ribbon and twine. Here I combine the two just so to add extra texture or accent. And I'm just gonna place the dried flower on top and then the gift tag, and that's it. It is as easy as that. Now, this gift wrapping style is not just for the holidays, but you can use this on any occasions, whether it's a birthday, a graduation, or just because gifts. Now, if you do love this tutorial, I invite you to subscribe on my channel because I have more tutorials just like this one, or if not, more about paper crafting, journaling, or any of my process in the studio. Now, this video is one part of the Vlogmas I'm doing for this year. I also have another Christmas craft that is included for this series, which was a Christmas gift tag. Now, if you want to watch that one, I'm gonna link it below. Now, thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this simple kind of gift wrapping. Don't forget to like and subscribe after you watch this one. Bye!